Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have empties to share with you. This is household empties. Let's get started. Aluminum foil, 40 square feet. I always repurchase this at the DollarTree. Not sure if it's the best deal anymore at $1.75. There actually are a few things I've stopped buying at DollarTree. Not the greatest foil, but it does get the job done. Leftovers, pan lining. This roll can easily be messed up. Foil isn't too thin, but it's not thick either. But at what I use it for, it does a good job. Great value quart size freezer bags. You get 25 in here. This was $2 and some change. I prefer the Save-A-Lot baggies I get over the great value ones, but I have purchased these a couple times because it's convenient because I'm always at Walmart. So they serve their purpose. They do a good job at preserving the meat in the freezer. They have the double zipper on them. The bottom of the bag, like they're like a stand and freeze bag, and they work for what I need them to do. Scrub buddies, nail guard sponges. At the time, these were still $1.25. Won't be purchasing these at DollarTree anymore either, but I absolutely love these nail guard sponges. They are my absolute favorite. You get 6 in here at $1.25. Not a bad deal. True Living at Dollar General has these same sponges in a 5-pack for $1. Yeah, that's the better deal. I do love these sponges though. So Scrub Buddies disposable gloves. You get 100 in here. At the time these were still $1.25. They are $1.75 now. They have these on a better deal at Walmart. So won't be purchasing these from the DollarTree anymore after I get done with the pack that I've already purchased. Because I believe you get the same amount at Walmart for like $1.62. I'm someone who doesn't like to touch raw meat. I don't like raw meat and juices and all that gross stuff under my fingernails. These gloves really come in clutch. I really love them. They are perfect for handling meat. They are perfect for cleaning. But mostly I use these for food. I like to make homemade potato wedges and things like that. And before, all that would get under my nails, all over my hands. Not anymore. Love these. We'll continue to purchase disposable gloves for the kitchen. There's always a lot of repurchases in these Empties videos. The Ultra Palmolive Ultra Strength Instantly Cuts Grease Dish Liquid. Love this stuff. It's a 32 fluid ounce. I used to buy this in the huge containers for they were like $8 at the time. And it would last like 3 months, which is great. This one, however, the 32 fluid ounce, last a month and a half. It's only $3. This stuff's amazing. If you've not tried this and you're looking for a better dish soap, and you know it's still on the affordable side, highly recommend this one. Top tier, top notch. You will not regret trying this one out. Now, the Good and Clean disinfectant wipes in the lemon scent, 30 count, yes, 6 extra wipes. These are now $1.75 at the DollarTree. Once again, I'm pretty sure I could get a better deal on these elsewhere. This is something that I may continue to purchase at the DollarTree. I really like these a lot. They come in lemon, lavender, and a fresh scent. And I usually only purchase the lemon and the fresh, and almost always just get the lemon. If we're being honest, I love having these on hand. I love having them for the kitchen. I love them for the bathroom, and I also really like having them on hand for whenever someone in the house comes down with a sickness. I will go and I will wipe remotes down, doorknobs, all of it, like chair arms that are like plastic like. You know what I mean? Like, I just try to keep the germs down. Game controllers, toys that are frequently touched. Yeah, these are fantastic. I love them. They're not too thin, they're not too thick, they're always saturated, and they smell nice. So I really like them. I've repurchased this a bunch of times. This is the Spick and Span Everyday Antibacterial Cleaner at the Dollar General for $1 in their dollar deals aisle. I've used this to refill my bottle 1.5 times. This is 1 pint and 4 ounces. Fresh lemon scent. It does smell really good. This is the cleaner that I use in the kitchen. I use this on everything. I even use it to spot clean the floor and stuff like that. And yes, I will use this cleaner in other rooms. This is also does antibacterial, but it is a multi-purpose cleaner at the end of the day, and it works fantastic for the kitchen. This stuff's fantastic. Spick and Span, love Spick and Span. I purchased it so many times, highly recommend. This here, the Wizard, it's a room spray. So odor neutralizer and air freshener and strawberry shortcake. This did come from the Dollar General, and it was $1. They always have fun scents in these Wizard sprays. Cute packaging as well. This smelled amazing. It literally smelled just like strawberries and cream. I know it says shortcake, but when I sprayed it, that's what I thought of. Strawberries and cream. It smells so good. So good. But the downside is that it's kind of... It does linger for a little while, but not too long. And the scent is kind of light. It's not as strong as some of the other scents that I've used from Wizard or other brands. For $1, you really can't beat it. It does actually work. I like these sprays, obviously, mostly for the bathroom. I will use them in other rooms, and it does work. It does its job. It odor neutralizes, and it freshens the space. So, this was really nice. I would purchase this again in this scent and in other scents. A Clorox solid gel air freshener. I like to use these in the bathroom as well. This is the Island Orchid. It did smell really good. I do like that they do this, but I do prefer it better to use it from the bottom. I picked this up for $1 at the Dollar General, which I think is a really good deal, especially for anything Clorox brand. It was nice. It did its job. Honestly, it didn't have like really any throw unless you're like right on top of it trying to smell it. But it does odor neutralize, and that is the whole purpose really of this. And this lasted, it says long lasting. This has been in the bathroom for probably a month and a half. Yeah, it served its purpose good. The last and final item I have to share, and this is a new one. I have never reviewed this on my channel, and here are my thoughts. This was $1.25 at the time at DollarTree. The Home Bright Power Clinging Toilet Bowl Cleaner Gel. It is pink grapefruit scented. The scent, yes, definitely grapefruit scented. You can smell it pretty strongly, but that's okay. That's not a downside. You can definitely tell this is grapefruit. It's supposed to deodorize, remove lime and rust stains. It's plant-based, bleach-free, 14.5 fluid ounces. This is a good product if you don't need to scrub the toilet. As in, like, you just put it in there and give it a little quick clean, fine. If you need something that you need some deep cleaner, this is not it. My personal experience, I did not like it for that. It does deodorize. Do I think it removes lime and rust stains? No. No. I do wish that it did have bleach in it. I am happy that I got to try this product out. I do think it was fun. It was tinted pink. For me, personally, I just felt like it just, as soon as it got on the toilet, it just slid completely down into the water. And it didn't cling. Like, it says it's clinging, but to me, I don't think that it clung good enough. And, I mean, for $1.25, you know, it did a decent job. But there's a lot of claims on this bottle that I don't find true. But that's just my personal experience and opinion. I don't recommend this. I just don't like it. I don't like that it didn't cling. Like, I feel like that I'm constantly trying to compare these toilet cleaners to Lime Away. None of them have come close. None of them perform like Lime Away. But that is all the household empties I have to share with you today. I hope that you enjoyed the video. I hope that you found the reviews helpful. Maybe try out some of these products for yourself. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like these, and don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links.